Hi, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to share with you why I've been loving this toothpaste from Crest. Over the time as a coffee drinker and a red wine drinker, I've noticed that my teeth have been getting stained, and I was very conscientious about it. But now that I found this Crest 3D White Stain Eraser has been so helpful. I love the fact that you need very little of it. I love the flavor. It's not overly sweet, overly powering. It's just perfect. You just need a little bit to brush your teeth thoroughly. I've been seeing how my stains have been going away little by little, and what's even better, they haven't gotten worse. I really recommend this. It literally removes 80% more surface stains than any other toothpaste. I feel like this toothpaste has really improved the stains on my teeth. I would highly recommend it. I've been loving it, but that's just my point of view.